Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a getting ready with me. I have been doing a lot of these getting ready with me for Instagram and, well, YouTube shorts as well, but they have been sari ones, but I just wanted to do like a casual one with you guys. Right, so this is the skirt that I'm going to be talking about. It's from Zara and it's these sort of like denim skirts, and I feel like denim at the moment is like super popular. It's so trendy, it's so in, and I think it's really flattering for like any sort of body shapes. I'm going to put this on now. So this is what it looks like. I think I'm going to do a camisole. So I'm probably going to do this, and either I could put a blazer on top of this or maybe a cardigan, so let's see. So I'm just going to tuck this in. Okay, so it's a cropped, I think cropped looks really good as well, so I'm just going to try this cropped Zara blazer that I bought quite recently. Only thing is I have a feeling it's going to be too warm for me, but that's such a cute outfit, right? Like, it looks so nice. Okay, this is like super cash. It's like a linen blazer, and you could wear like some open sandals or something. I'm gonna do this cardi. I think it just kind of looks cute, but then also chic. Like, you could just like kind of keep it over the shoulder. Obviously maybe wear a different bra underneath, but like I think this is kind of cute, and you can just like sort of layer it with like loads of jewelry. Oh, I was looking for pockets. It only has pockets at the back, but I think definitely yes to pearls. I've wanted a multicolored cross chain for the longest time, so this is from Thomas Sabo, and I'm going to pair this because I think my cousin gifted me these little mini hoops about a year ago. They're like one of my favorites, and I didn't realize they actually match my chain really well. This was actually a gift from a bride of mine, so I like this. It's got like both, and I think like the silver and the gold, which I think picks up on the pearls, but it also on the brighter colors. So yeah, because I've decided to wear my croissant. I feel like it's like a nice little casual bag, but just adds that little bit of, you know, and I like it because you can just fit so much in. So it's like, since I'm getting on the tube today, I just thought this would be like a great bag because I can take my book with me. I could have worn my Converse, but I'm going to wear these. I've had them for a really long time. They actually initially weren't very comfortable, but they are comfortable now. A bit of perfume, my Baldo Freak, and I like to just sort of spray it and walk in. Some Tio. I do like this roll-on. Getting on the tube, so you know what I mean. Right, so I'm not doing much with makeup. I just have a bit of concealer, so you can leave the hair out. Another great way of just doing like a quick bun is these massive crocodile clips, and then just across leave a little bit of hair in the front, and you're good to go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to see more of these getting ready with me, do let me know. I know you didn't see a lot of my face, it was just like more body. I was just maybe seeing if you guys like a different, like where you can just focus on the clothes and stuff like that. But if you don't, if you want my face in it a little bit more, do let me know and I'll do a different one. But yeah, thank you so much. Until next time.